In this video, I'm going to show you how you can prevent people from tagging you on Facebook, okay? Let's get started. As usual, in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Open the Facebook app. Then you will see your profile picture to the right. Just tap on it gently. Then tap on your name at the middle here. Then you will see the three dots here, the far right. Just tap on the three dots. Then click on Review Posts and Tags. You'll be able to see all the posts that you've been tagged in. Now tap on the settings button. It's a little bit grayed out, but just tap on it. Then you can see here, anybody can tag me on Facebook now, but we'll just turn it off like this. Alternatively, you can turn on the reviewing option such that all the posts that you've been tagged in will not be posted on your profile without you reviewing them individually. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more valuable tips like this. Peace out.